Starting your day with a healthy breakfast is essential, especially for managing diabetes, cholesterol, and blood pressure. One delicious option is oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a sprinkle of nuts. Oatmeal is rich in soluble fiber, which can help lower cholesterol levels, while berries provide antioxidants and essential vitamins. Adding a handful of nuts not only enhances the flavor, but also introduces healthy fats that support heart health. Another great breakfast idea is a nutrient-packed smoothie. Blend a handful of spinach, half an avocado, and a tablespoon of flax seeds with your choice of unsweetened almond milk or water. This smoothie is loaded with fiber, healthy fats, and potassium, making it an excellent choice for stabilizing blood sugar and supporting heart health. The spinach adds a boost of vitamins, while the avocado provides creaminess and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Don't forget the importance of protein-rich options, such as Greek yogurt. A serving of plain Greek yogurt topped with sliced fruit and a sprinkle of chia seeds can keep you feeling full longer and help regulate blood sugar levels. These breakfast recipes not only taste great, but also provide the nutrients needed to manage chronic conditions effectively. By starting your day with these wholesome meals, you set a positive tone for healthy eating throughout the day. A nutritious lunch is essential for maintaining energy levels and supporting overall health, particularly when managing conditions such as diabetes, high cholesterol, and high blood pressure. One fantastic option is a vibrant salad made with leafy greens, chickpeas, and a drizzle of olive oil. Leafy greens like spinach or kale are packed with vitamins and minerals, while chickpeas provide protein and fiber, helping to keep you full and satisfied. Olive oil adds healthy fats that can support heart health and enhance the absorption of nutrients. Another delicious choice is a whole grain wrap filled with lean turkey and a variety of colorful vegetables. Whole grain wraps are a great source of fiber, which can help regulate blood sugar levels and lower cholesterol. Lean turkey provides protein without the saturated fat found in some meats, and adding veggies like bell peppers, cucumbers, and spinach boosts the nutrient content and adds crunch. Quinoa bowls with roasted vegetables are also an excellent option for lunch. Quinoa is a complete protein and a rich source of fiber, making it an ideal food for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Pair it with roasted vegetables like zucchini, bell peppers, and carrots for a flavorful and satisfying meal. These lunch recipes not only align with healthy eating guidelines, but also offer a variety of flavors and textures to keep your meals exciting. A healthy dinner is essential for winding down your day while supporting your dietary needs, especially when managing diabetes, cholesterol, and high blood pressure. One delicious option is grilled salmon served with asparagus and brown rice. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health, while asparagus provides essential vitamins and minerals. Brown rice adds fiber and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels, making this meal both nutritious and satisfying. Another fantastic dinner idea is stir-fried tofu with broccoli and bell peppers. Tofu is an excellent plant-based protein source that is low in saturated fat, making it a great choice for promoting heart health. Broccoli and bell peppers are rich in antioxidants and vitamins, adding color and texture to your meal. Stir-frying with a small amount of olive oil or low-sodium soy sauce enhances the flavors without adding excessive calories or sodium. When preparing dinner, it's essential to focus on portion control and balanced meals. Aim to fill half your plate with vegetables, a quarter with lean protein, and a quarter with whole grains. This approach not only helps manage your dietary needs, but also promotes a healthy lifestyle.